My name is Alice. Running. Killing. This has been my whole life.
She's gone.
This movie, in my opinion, is the best in the franchise.
Get ready!
The actors are so amazing.
I first became aware of LJG thanks to YouTube.
He is the most unbelievable martial artist.
The fight scene between him and Mila is just fantastic. I mean, he just kicks the hell out of her. And that doesn't happen very often in Resident Evil. Usually it's the other way around. You know, Mila's the one kicking the hell out of you.
Everything he does himself with no wires. And he's that good. We couldn't have asked for a better, harder working cast of people.
Dog in the roof.
Really brings the whole franchise to this amazing closure.
Everybody get down!
I think the audience is gonna love.